When it comes to protecting business devices in mixed operating system environments, two names stand out: Sophos and ESET. Both have built strong reputations in cybersecurity, and both aim to give businesses reliable, enterprise-grade protection. But they go about it in slightly different ways. If your company runs Windows, macOS, and Linux systems, you will want to know which one handles that diversity better. Let's break it down. Sophos is built around the idea of unified security. Everything is managed through Sophos Central, a cloud-based dashboard where you can oversee endpoints, servers, mobile devices, and even network firewalls from one place. That centralization is one of Sophos's biggest advantages. It means your IT team can spot threats, roll out policies, and respond to incidents without jumping between tools. For organizations with a lot of devices spread across different locations, that kind of control can make a huge difference. Sophos Intercept X is the heart of its protection. It uses artificial intelligence to detect threats, block ransomware, and prevent exploits before they cause damage. One standout feature is its rollback capability. It can restore files that ransomware has encrypted, saving you from major downtime. Sophos also includes extended detection and response, giving deeper insights into how attacks started and how to stop them from spreading. If you want a security platform that is proactive and layered, Sophos delivers that. Now, ESET takes a slightly different approach. It focuses on balance, strong protection that stays lightweight and easy to manage. Its ESET Protect console can run in the cloud or on-premises, depending on how your business prefers to manage security. That flexibility is great for companies with mixed infrastructure or strict compliance rules. ESET is well known for its low resource usage. It is built to stay out of the way, keeping your devices secure without slowing them down. That is especially useful in environments where you have older systems or a mix of hardware types. It also supports Windows, macOS, and Linux, along with mobile devices. Everything stays consistent across operating systems, which helps simplify management for smaller IT teams. So which is better for your mixed operating system environment? If your business is primarily Windows-based with some macOS and Linux systems, and you want deep integration, automation, and advanced response capabilities, Sophos is the stronger choice. It offers enterprise-level security that grows with your business. But if your team prefers a lighter, more straightforward solution that still covers all major platforms, ESET is hard to beat. It is fast, dependable, and designed for diverse systems. Both are top-tier options. Sophos gives you comprehensive control and powerful automation, while ESET gives you simplicity and consistency across platforms. The right one depends on your team's needs, your infrastructure, and how much hands-on control you want over your security. Either way, both will keep your business protected in a world where every endpoint counts.